but you already knew that. All right. Uh, I went to a real estate opening to take real estate photos the other day, and it was an empty unit. I just downloaded Photoshop Beta, and my thinking was, why don't I try to see how it works with if I can do um, furniture in real estate. So I was like, let's see if we can do this. Let me turn on my layers. You'll see that I'm just in the regular layer. Now, first of all, I cut this a little short because there's a closet right here. I don't want a closet. I want the original. I like to extend it a little bit. So let's go over here to just generate fill. I'm not going to do anything. I just want to generate, see if it can fix it. I've been having pretty good success with it. Actually, I've been having hit or miss success with the generate fill. Sometimes it does really well. Sometimes it does not what. Oh, no. I like that. Wow, the third one did really well. Look at that. All right. I I think that's pretty darn good. All right. Let's come back over here to the lasso tool and let's come over to here and we'll go up and we'll go and oops, let me make sure I select the correct, make sure you always select the correct layer and let's do bed white. I don't know why I chose white, but I did. This will be something different. We'll see what happens and we'll see where it goes from here. I don't know why. I mean, if I just want bedding, let's see what the choices are. Not crazy about this. Um, looks pretty cool. I don't know what this is. Let's see if we can do. How about queen bed? Let's try a different. Well, let's try to do a different generate. Let's see if we can do a queen instead of. Um, not too crazy about this whole thing right here. I don't know what happened. Do like the bedding though. I do like the cover. Pretty cool. Ooh. Hmm. Something like that. Hmm. I do like this. I am going to take this little, I am going to go over here and I'm going to use my brush tool and make sure that we are on the black by hitting the X. And I am going to go and take out whatever this little thing is. I have no, oh wow. They actually did the bed too. Look at this. Wow. All right. I kind of like that. I'm going to kind of leave it. Um, Now let's come over here to, maybe we'll do a whole, well, let's do a framed, let's do a generate fill, let's do a framed painting. See if what happens. We're just going to leave it just where it is. I'm not really doing anything. And see what happens. I don't know if it's generating. I mean, I have been taking Photoshop for years. I've known how to do this. Oh, not a bad photo. Let me turn this off. Ooh, do I like that one? Ooh, I like, ooh. All right, what I'm going to do is come over here to the bedding, get my brush tool. Huh. You know, I think I am going to go and just, we'll leave it something like that. Looks a little weird. I guess I could get this a little better. Let's see if I can do it. Something like that. Wow. All right, let's do one more. Let's come over here and let's go here, over here, and let's add a dresser. How about a dresser? I don't know, or clothes. Not really sure what I'm adding, but maybe I'll take that out. I'm not really sure, but this bed is okay. I like it that it matched it up. That's not really much of a dresser. No. Ah. If you didn't tell me that was there, I would have thought the other people, wow, look at they did a really good job. Huh. I'm gonna leave that just like that. All right, there you go. It gives a person perspective and scale. Looks pretty darn good. Maybe I'd add a shadow on this. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. Oops. I'm not really sure about. There's something missing about this picture, but I'm gonna leave it. But I do like this whole dresser over here. All right, let's do Control E, and we'll call it a day. I think this turned out fairly well. Hey, thank you for watching.